In this video, I'm going to show you how to make scrambled eggs within 5 minutes. So all you need to do this, you need your eggs, you need a bowl, you need a whisk, you need herbs and seasonings to your liking, you need oil or butter, and additionally you can use some milk, cheese, or bacon or whatever you want to have in your eggs. And of course you need a pan to fry the eggs on the stove. So let's start our timer and let's make the eggs. Okay, so first you're gonna take your eggs. I'm just gonna make 3. I have 2 large eggs left, and then I'm gonna make 1 medium egg. Remove the shell. One more. Okay, and then we're gonna put this to the side. Now you're gonna use a little bit of salt. I'm making this for my daughter, so she doesn't like it so spicy, so just a little bit of herbs. And then you're just gonna use your whisk, and you're gonna mix it all together. Okay, now at that time I'm gonna turn my stove on, and I'm gonna put a little sip of oil in it. I also like to use butter, that gives it a different flavor. Now I'm gonna add a little sip of milk. This is really no must. I saw some friends of me do this. I never did that before, but it actually tastes good when the eggs are a little bit more creamy. Okay. In the time your pan is getting hot, you can remove your trash. Or you can already have your pan on hot too, then that's even faster for you. The scrambled eggs really don't take a lot of time. Okay, so now I have a wooden spoon here. Then I can take the eggs apart a bit when they're in here. So my pan is preheated. I'm just going to put it in there. And now we're just going to stir it around until they're done. Okay, they're actually already done. You can eat them like this or fry them a little bit more. But they're actually already perfectly done right now. And we got 30 seconds left. So this is how you make scrambled eggs in under 5 minutes. I hope that you like this video. Give us a like and subscribe.